All right. So normally on your normal Cpap, you'll use the My Air app on your home unit. This unit, if you look on the back of the unit, it'll actually tell you to download. It's a different app, but it's called it's Airmini. So the Airmini app, I've already taken it and downloaded it on my phone. When you download that, it will look like this. There's a button you'll push on here that'll do the Bluetooth, and it'll actually sync this with your device. Then once it's synced together, then you can actually set up the device on what settings you want to do for the device. The nice thing with the unit is you can run it as an algorithm for standard Cpap and auto Cpap, or if you're using an auto for her, you can set it for an auto for her. All done through the app, as well as your settings that you have on your Cpap. If you're 5 to 15, you can set that up. So that's the first thing, is you just set up the device actually on that, and then you can get all your downloads. So if you're working where you have to have the downloads, some construction jobs, the Department of Transportation, then you have to have downloads. If you're an airline pilot, you have to have downloads. So you used to have to take your big machine, whereas if you want to take something really small and portable, you can still get those downloads and access them that way. So now we're going to go ahead and open this box up and see what we got. Okay, so we're going to unbox this. This is the Airmini. And you open it up. You've got your manual. Goes over everything on how to connect it with that, connect all your stuff. You've got a power box, your power adapter. And then you've got the unit itself and a carry bag that goes along with it. The unit itself is right here. To plug it in, plug that right there. That will, once you plug it in, then you can start the sync process, follow the instructions in your book, get that going that way. All right, now I'm going to discuss with you the different masks that you can use with this device. There's only 3 masks that'll work with the Airmini, and you have to buy an adapter or to work with your mask that includes the tubing. So there wasn't tubing included in the unit itself, as you saw when we undid it. So you have to have something that'll work. So if you're using this P10, you'll have to use the P10, and you have to buy it. It comes with everything you see here, but it's basically a whole mask, including a tubing and an HME, which is the humidification rebreather. That's all included in that. If you use the N20, then you need to purchase the adapter for it. You can use your existing mask, but you'll just disconnect right here, and then you're going to connect the new tube that you get with this into here and into the device itself. Okay? And lastly, if you use the F20, you'll need to buy the F20 adapter with the humidifier. Everything's included in here. But you've got a new tubing which has the adapter. So you will unplug this adapter here, and you'll plug the new adapter in, and then plug that into your device. So those are the 3 approved Cpap masks that you can use, and the including adapter. I hope you enjoyed our review and kind of unboxing of the ResMed Airmini portable Cpap today. You can get this at dependableoxygen.com, or you can come into our showroom. We've got everything. We can set you up with this, show you how to use it. If you have questions on the app or anything, you can feel free to give us a call. Hope you enjoyed the review. We also have a new battery that you can run this off of, and check that out as well. Thanks, and have a good day.